Well, we started the company as a sole trader. The company started to grow by us being asked to do more commercial type of window cleaning, which we did. We knew the need then to take on further employees. Roughly about 5 years ago, we brought Citation in, and we realised that we needed a human resource side to the business, which we didn't have the skills in the business at that time. And Citation also informed us at that point that they could also help us with giving us advice and auditing us on the health and safety side of the business as well. Just the type of person that I am, I do like to deal with the same person over and over again, and Citation have allowed that to happen as well. And we've built up a really good relationship and rapport with each other. He always gives me the advice when I'm about to interview them. Also sends the appropriate letters out that I need to send to the employee. Tells me the right legislation I should be using when dealing with HR difficulties really that we have day in, day out. We have had a couple of sort of employees that we've had problems with, lateness, not turning up to work, not reporting in. The benefit is that I have somebody at the end of a telephone. The good thing is that we're able to speak to somebody the same day on the issue. And we use the online system for recording all the staff details, when staff take holidays, sickness records, absences, and we also use the client documentation that Citation produce for us each year. It's saved us a lot of time, and it's also saved us a lot of money as well.